half jobs, or less than half. I've seen that way too many times. People will have a assembly system, some form, something in manufacturing, something under process, and they'll get a jig or a fixture that will, help things along a little bit, one little machine or something, but it only does part of the task. And it usually doesn't do the most complicated part of the task because that's the hardest part to mechanize and automate. So to get these jigs, these fixtures, these machines that do part of the job, but not the whole job. And they might, increase their throughput a bit, reduce waste a little bit, up their quality a little bit. Costs usually don't change a whole lot because you haven't done the whole job. Take the time, look on your floor, look for all those places where you have a jig, a fixture, a tool, but it still requires a lot of manual operation and labor. There's nothing automatic about it. You don't have an operator that can set it up, press a button, let it run, it's got an alarm, something goes wrong, the operator can come and tweak it. That's where you want to be at. And then you start integrating them together with material handling between units, etc. But for now, just look at those positions where you have people bagging, people actuating tools, where they put something in a jig and then they crank it down with a big handle, etc., where part of the job, part of the task has been mechanized, but not all of it. Half jobs. They're not helping you as much as you think they are. It looks nice, but you're not getting the efficiency that you could be getting. So look for those half jobs. And that's a place to maybe put your next effort into and your next capex into, turning those half jobs into full jobs, those half machines into complete machines. Think about it. Look around. It'll pay off.